Hi everyone, this is my I Am a Mover presentation. Just a little introduction about myself. My name's Ashlyn. I am a special education major in both DD and ABS, and I have a minor in coaching and child advocacy. With my coaching minor, I hope to coach either volleyball or soccer. I am technically a freshman here at Winona State, although credit-wise, I am a sophomore and almost a junior. I'm from New Prague, Minnesota. It's a small little town about a half an hour south of Burnsville or an hour south of the Twin Cities. And a fun little fact about myself as a mover, from my hometown, I actually got to teach a yoga program specializing in special education students. So it was kind of like a day class where I was teaching yoga to special needs children for about an hour a day in my high school while I was student teaching. So one of the big major activities that I like doing kind of weekly is I love to go bowling here in town with my friends. We like to go kind of once a week. Every once in a while we miss a week or just kind of get lazy, but we like to go to one, stay active, especially during the winter time where it's harder to get outside, and two, we like just the social interaction part of it where we get to kind of hang out, talk, and just kind of leisurely bowl while we have the time. In the summertime, when I actually get to go outside, I love hiking. There's lots of fun places to hike in Winona, so that makes it nice and easy. It's a fun challenge for myself, as well as getting out with friends and bringing them along with a hike and showing them new hiking locations as well. I also, another just random fun fact, I actually got to hike up the Switzerland Alps, and I hiked up and down in a day. It was a ton of fun. And then additionally, because I was a yoga instructor, I love to do yoga both here on campus and alone in my dorm room with kind of videos or like walkthroughs of other instructors. It helps to not only expand my knowledge as a yoga instructor, but just staying active again during the winter when I can't get outside. And again, just kind of while I'm laying around or kind of trying to relax, I like to just do yoga. So thanks for watching.